A Tagalog-speaking client and a financial advisor, Peter, are having a conversation at Peter's office about the client's financial issues around credit card debt. Dialogue begins now. Hello. Please come in. I'm Peter. It's good to meet you.
Magandang araw po, Peter. Ikinagagalak ko rin pong makilala kayo. Kasalukuyan po akong nangangailangan ng tulong sa pamamahala ng aking pinansyal na sitwasyon, kaya napakasaya ko po na nagkita tayo ngayon.
I understand. I heard that the loan officer referred you here for the financial review because you sometimes missed your mortgage payments.
Tama po. Nahihirapan po akong magbayad kamakailan ng mga buwan ng hulog ng aking loan. Hindi po ako magaling sa pamamahala ng gastusin, at mahirap din po para sa akin ang magbayad ng mga utility bills.
Firstly, tracking your expenses is important. Creating a monthly budget can help you manage your money each month.
Magandang ideya po iyan. Tuwing katapusan ng buwan kasi, kailangan kong gamitin ang aking credit card para bumili ng pagkain, at dahil dito ay patuloy na lumalaki ang aking utang.
Lots of clients have the same issues as you. Also, because credit cards' interest rates are high, they are having trouble paying off the balance.
Eksakto po iyan. Talagang nakakapanlu mo. Kahit po nagbabayad ako ng kaunti kada buwan, parang hindi po bumababa ang aking balanse. Marami po akong gasto sa mga bills at sa pagbili ng pagkain.
Yes, I know you might feel overwhelmed paying it off. If you make a monthly budget, it's going to help you. I will transfer your balance to a bank card with a lower interest rate.
Hindi ko po alam na meron palang ganoon. Kung mas mababa po ang interes, siguradong magiging mas madali pong bayaran ang balance ng credit card.
That's right. Some banks will offer you a 0% interest-free credit card for 6 months. Planning a budget will help you pay off your debt.
Kung ganoon po, talagang malaking ginhawa po iyon para sa akin. Pag hindi po ako nakakabayad ng mortgage at ng balance ng credit card, sumasama ang loob ko at nagiging balisa po ako.
Try not to worry too much. We can get your financial situation under control. We can start planning your budget right away.
Maraming salamat po, Peter. Sa palagay ko po ay iyon ang pinakamabuti. Salamat po sa inyong payo. Napakabait po ninyo.